Hello, today we are solving May 2023 Unit 2 IAL paper question number 2. Green Type PLC is the business of selling garden gadgets. Okay, so here this is part C. Prepare a purchases budget for one store of Green Type Me PLC in units for each of the 4 months from September to December 2023. So it's given here. This is how the purchases budget is prepared. So every month there will be an opening inventory, then some purchases will happen, some of the sales happen, and there is leftover of closing inventory, and this closing inventory is carried on to the next month as opening inventory, and like this you will complete it. Right, at the start of each month, each store will hold an inventory of garden sheds equal to the sales of 2 weeks of that month. So at the end, that is opening inventory for every month will be equal to 2 weeks of the sales that's going to happen in that month. That is their budgeting uh, um, decision. So that is their budgeting strategy to hold the sales for 2 weeks of that month. Okay. So for September it is going to be equal to, so they are able to sell 8 garden sheds in 1 week, and for 2 weeks it will be 8 into 2 weeks. So they are able to sell 8 units per week into 2 weeks, that is equal to 16 units. And for the month of October, garden sheds in a week, so 6 units per week into 2 weeks, that is going to be equal to 12 units. So they will be holding 12 units at the beginning of October. It is for the month of November, it is going to be equal to, they are selling 4 units per week into 2 weeks, that is going to be equal to 4 2s are 8 units they will hold in the beginning of November. Month of December, they are selling 2 units per week. Okay, in the month of December they are selling 2 units. In the month of December they are selling 2 garden sheds a week. So and for 2 weeks they will be able to sell 4 units. Now these will be the inventory, opening inventory they will be holding at the beginning of each month. So 16 units, then it will be 12 units, and then 8 units, and then they will hold 4 units. Now they will have to, along with the first month, okay, of September, they will need to purchase extra. Okay, that we will have to calculate. So the closing inventory, okay, the opening inventory of the next month will become the closing inventory of the previous month. So for October, opening inventory will become the closing inventory for September. So with regards to that we will fill. Now let's calculate opening inventory they have given for the January. So they are able to sell 2 garden sheds a week in January 2024. So 2 units into 2 weeks, that is equal to 4 units. So for month of January there will be 4 units in the opening, and the closing inventory for the December will be 4 units. The sales made, okay, in each of the months we will calculate for the entire month. If, okay, what is the sales they will be able to do in that month. So we can see that they are able to sell 8 garden sheds in a week, which means 8 into 4 weeks are there in a month. Okay, so the number of units sold will be 8 units per week into 4 weeks, that is equal to 32 units they will be able to sell. Now for the month of October, they are able to sell 6 sheds in a week. So 6 units per week into 4 weeks, 6 fours are 24. So 24 units they will be able to sell in the month of October. And for the month of November, 4 garden sheds per week, 4 units per week into 4 weeks, 4 fours are 16 units per week. For the entire month they are able to sell. And for the month of December, they are able to sell 2 units per week into 4. So 2 twos are 4. 2 into 4, 8 units they will be able to sell in the month of December. So let's fill up these sale units for the entire month, that is 32 units. Then they have 24 units, and for the month of November they are able to sell 16 units, and then for the month of December it will be 8 units. Opening inventory plus purchases plus minus sales is equal to closing inventory, leftover inventory. Okay, so what is the purchases unit? The purchases unit will be equal to closing inventory minus opening inventory plus the sales. Okay, closing inventory plus sales, okay, minus the opening inventory, that is going to lead to how many purchases you have made apart from the what you have at the beginning of the month. So 12 plus 32 minus 16 units, that is going to be equal to, that is 28 units. So the purchases for the month of September was 28 units. For the month of October, it is 8 plus 24 minus 12, that is going to be equal to 20 units. For the month of November, it is going to be equal to 4 plus 16 minus 8, that is going to be equal to 12 units. And for the month of December, the purchases were equal to 4 plus 8 minus 4. So for the month of December, it is going to be equal to 4 plus 8 minus 4, that is equal to 8 units. Now let's fill up the purchases. So for September it is 28 units. For September it is 28 units. For October it is purchases amounts to 20 units. For the November it is 12 units, and for the December it is 8 units. So this represents the purchases budget for one store all in